they have to do, then they let us know how to proceed.
What do you mean his policy? It's not his policy, right? It's somebody else's policy.
Correct. What department? How can I help you?
Yes, hi. This is Dustin Rosen with
I just got your voicemail from last week.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, I was unexpectedly out of the office.
No worries. You need the claim number again?
Yeah.
Okay. A is in apple, D is in dog.
Bear with me here. Yeah, this file was just transferred to me, so let me see what's going on. Okay, it does look like there was some coverage issues on this file, so this file has been sent to the company for coverage review.
Yeah, I mean, we've heard that, since early May, that there's a coverage issue we're investigating, and we continuously follow up over and over and over again, and the only thing that we've gotten was that the driver that caused the accident wasn't listed on the policy.
Policy is a contract. You have to stay within the terms and conditions of said contract in order for us to afford coverage. As of right now, it looks like he is outside of the terms and conditions of his policy, which is why it has now gone to the company directly for a coverage review. So once underwriting does what they have to do, then they let us know how to proceed.
What do you mean his policy? It's not his policy, right? It's somebody else's policy.
Correct. So we have to go by our insurance policy, as this person is not listed on our policy.
So are you saying that you have a policy that states that if they're not listed, then there's no coverage? Or is there some other possible issue?
That I don't know. That's why it's gone to the company for a review. I'm not an underwriter. I'm just a claims adjuster.
So you're with Prioris as an independent adjuster, and then the insurance company is Aguila Dorada?
Correct.
Okay. When did they get this file to review it?
I only see it in the file notes, sir. I don't know when they actually got it.
Does it state what date the file note is?
Give me a second. Bear with me.
Take your time.
Thank you.
Hello?
Oh, hello?
Yep, hello?
So sorry about that.
It's okay.
So yes, I did confirm with my manager. He said I'm not advised to I'm not able to disclose that. Only that the file is currently under review at the company.
Okay, are we able to talk to the company directly?
Not to my knowing.
This is, I'm not trying to give you guys a hard time. We're 2.5. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I've tried to talk to him before too. Yeah, if he's available, I'll get on the line with him for sure.
Okay, bear with me. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, unfortunately he is in a meeting, but he said you can forward give me your contact number and he'll give you a call back.
Okay, my number is 832-925-2030.
Justin, right?
Yeah. Last time I spoke was in June. He said if I emailed him directly, he'd always respond, but I have 3 emails in a row to him and he doesn't respond. You sure he's not available? He's really in a meeting, or he's in one of those pretend meetings to not talk to me?
He's really in a meeting.
Okay.
That's why it took so long for him to respond to me.
But basically, you guys have kicked the claim back to Aguila Dorada to let you know if they can accept coverage or not.
Correct.
Gotcha. So at this time, we're just waiting on Aguila Dorada to give you the go-ahead if that you can accept coverage on this case or not.
Correct.
Okay. 2.5 months later, this is a really old claim just to get coverage handled.
Yeah, I mean, I just got this, like I stated, this claim was just transferred to me, so this is a pretty new claim to me, so I'm having to go from what I see in the file and work the file as, as I have it.
I get it. I mean, it's not fair to you for a 2.5-month-old claim to just be dropped on your desk. I don't know what happened to the old adjuster or what, but...
Yeah, I understand. But Yeah, he said he will give you a call back.
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah,
All right, you too. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
So we have had this case for, like I said, almost 2.5 months. Our client was in a very bad accident. The other driver was 100% at fault. But here's the thing. He was driving somebody else's vehicle that was under their insurance policy. The guy that was driving has no insurance policy. He has no vehicle to my knowledge. But in this specific case, they are trying to see if they will cover this driver that caused the accident or not. Typically, if the person that owns the insurance policy gives permission to somebody to drive under their insurance policy or gives permission to drive their car where there's insurance on that car, it's usually covered and there's no issues. But we're 2.5 months down the road here and we're still waiting for them to accept liability, to accept coverage. It's a whole mess and it's really not fair to our client. But unfortunately, our hands are tied here. All we could do is file complaints with the Better Business Bureau, or we could file complaints with the Texas Department of Insurance. But we've done that plenty of times in the past, and nothing ever happens. So now, what this insurance company, Aguila Dorada, which is it's an old American County Mutual, is an insurance company, and they have a bunch of different insurance companies under that umbrella. So Aguila Dorada is another one, and I don't even know where they get these names from. I don't know where these insurance companies come from. Most of them, in my opinion, are small rinky-dink insurance companies that don't know what they're doing, and they're very, very cheap insurance companies, so it's hard to communicate with them. However, when we get the opportunity to try to negotiate an injury settlement, we're usually able to grab higher offers because they're just small staff, they're a small insurance company, and they don't have the financial backing to file lawsuits all day and defend lawsuits all day. So that's a positive part of being able to go against the smaller companies. But the downfall of going against a small company is they just have no communication. It's ridiculous. But this is all that I can do is keep following up. And if I don't like it, we can file a lawsuit against this company. But at the end of the day, if you file a lawsuit and they truly do have a legal way to not have to pay on this claim, now you file the lawsuit against the company that technically has legal standing to dismiss the lawsuit. So you don't want to do that either. And hope that this video has been helpful to you and has encouraged you not to sign up with small rinky-dink insurance companies that are not going to properly defend you. God bless you. Have a good day.